Hi everyone, welcome to Karen from tillycrafts.co.uk. Today I'm bringing you a sneaky peek of this beautiful Gardens Eden set that demonstrators are able to get their hands on now, but it will become available to customers in November, the beginning of November. But I've already had a little play with it. As you can see, I've mounted my stamps already, so I've had a little play with it and it's absolutely gorgeous. It's a distinctive stamp set. You've got "Dear friend, how are you? My heart is tied to yours. Tug if you need anything. Hello there. Sending hugs. Let's celebrate everything." And then you've got these floral images, which is stunning. This stamp really nice. And I don't know what I've done with me sheet where I was playing, but it'll be somewhere about. But we don't need it because we're going to play with it today. So you get 10 stamps, and then in the bundle you can buy them separately, or there's a code for the bundle. You've got Eden dies. You get 5 dies, these cut out wreaths, edging bit, little floral image, and you can use that for a banner sentiment. That's the only one I haven't cut out because I've been playing. So that's one of the edging strips. That's one of the wreaths. Oops, I've got it stuck. That's one of the wreaths. That's the other smaller one. And that's the little floral bit. I did have another floral bit somewhere, but where it's gone I have no idea, because I was that excited about playing. So, and this is cut out in the In Colours vellum. That bit hasn't popped out. Hang on. Yeah, this is cut out in the In Colours vellum. So I got that excited. I still haven't poked out more all of the bits, but you get the idea anyway. So you also get these beautiful garden gems. Now it says they're soft succulent and cherry cobbler, but unless you twinkle them about, you can't really see the cherry cobbler. It's like an oil slick, you know, you've got all different colours in it, but really like those, they're nice. There's also this cotton paper. It's called, what's it called? Cotton paper, Ever Eden cotton paper. It's 12 by 12, and you get 1, 2, 3. You get 4 sheets of the evening evergreen and 4 sheets of the soft succulent, and it's thicker than tissue paper, but not as thick as paper, if that makes any sense, but it is lovely. And also in the set you get this stunning paper, and this is called just Ever Eden Special Designer Series paper, and you get 12 sheets. Let's have a look. And these are beautiful because they've got gold foiling on them. So you get 2 sheets of each, so you've got like soft succulent with gold on it, and the back side of that is just like I can't tell whether it's grey or it's green, that's because of my eyes. So you've got that one. This I really like as well. So again, soft succulent with gold, and then on the back it's the greens. It's soft succulent and evening evergreen. So I think this one might be the evening evergreen. So they're nice. And then very similar papers, but subtle. I do like them. So that's one side, and that's the other. How gorgeous is that? Love it. And then you've got this one. It's just got little tiny dots of gold in it. And then on the back you've got like an ombre watercolour effect. That's nice. Do like that. And then you've got the evening evergreen with the foil, and then on the back it's like a herringbone stripy effect. And then this one, I think this is one of my favourites as well, beautiful, and again with like a plain design on the back, and they are nice. Both sides of these papers are really nice. So shall we have a play? Right, I did have some cardstock out ready Probably won't use the tissue paper today, but I will do some more projects with the tissue paper. Here we go, I've got some card here. Right, so trimmer now. We have a trimmer, yes we do. Right, so basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a couple of card bases. So what I do is I just score this in half, so that's at 4 1/8, and I score it, and then I just turn it round, and then it's 5 7/8, 5 7/8 I cut, and that gives me 2 card bases. And this is the thick basic white. I keep wanting to say whisper white, it's basic white now. And this is the thinner card, and I cut this for my stamping layers at 5 7/8. Turn it round by 3 5/8. So that gives me a layer. Might as well do 2 while we're here. There we go. And I'll also do, I like the ones where they're the same size as the card. So 5 7/8. No, I'm not. Yeah, 5 7/8. Cut a little bit off of that by 4 1/8. And that should be the same size. Yes. Right. And no, yes, no, yes, no. I've no idea what we're going to do. But let's have a little play. I think because the colours are evening evergreen and soft succulent, I'm going to use that. And let me see. I did have my evening evergreen out, and I think it's done one. This is my trouble, this. I start crafting and then I don't know where I put things down. So it might have to be a soft succulent card. But hey ho, we don't mind, do we? Let me just see if it's under this lot pile. Nope, it's not. Under this one, nope. So we'll do soft succulent and polished pink then. Where's the stamps? And let's see. I think we'll stamp this big one and see what it's like. Right, which size card am I going for? Yes, we'll go for this big one because this fits perfectly on top of the thing. Right, so let's stamp it in soft succulent and see what happens. Now, with distinctive stamps, you need to be careful that your ink pad's not really juicy, because if it's really juicy, it doesn't stamp right. So, I'm just having a look, so I've got a little block. So you can use a bone fold or a spoon, but if you just move the ink like this to one side, it stops it being so juicy. So when you stamp, so you just want to tap, 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 and then I'm going to go down there. How nice is that? And that's what it's supposed to look like. And you see, it's distinctive. It picks out different bits. So I think we'll put another one up the top here. Oh, really like that. And what else have we got? Oh, got a little florally one, I like that. And I've got a tree one. So, and as you can see, I had a slight accident with my ink. So the way to get rid of that is to re-ink it and dab it off with with like some tissue paper. Right, I think that one might be a bit juicy too. Let's move all that down. It doesn't hurt it because it'll just soak back in. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put some of these in here. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, I like that. Oops, put one up there. How pretty are these stamps? They're gorgeous. And I've got another one here. Might do a bit of fresh freesia. This is only like my first real play with it, so like I said, I just stamped the cards, just stamped the stamps onto a piece of paper the other day when I got it, just to see what they'd stamp like. But these are gorgeous. Oh, how pretty are they? I love them. Right, what else have we got? Got this one here. I'm thinking of doing some bits up the side with that. Let's pinch this block. I'll do these in soft succulent. I like that, that's pretty. Right, sentiment. I'm thinking, dear friend, how are you? Shall we do that one? That would be nice. I've got a strip here. That'll just fit on there nicely. And I think I'll do that in the soft succulent. Oh, very nice. Very, very nice. And I'm just debating, will it fit? Do we think it will fit on the dies? Let's have a look. See, we put it over the top. Oh, that'll fit perfect on there. So what I think we'll do is cut that out. Should we bring a bit of the dark evening evergreen in? Or shall we bring in a different colour? I'm just trying to think now. Let's have a look. I did have pale papaya as well, but should we stick? Let's go fresh freesia. Right, I'm just going to cut a bit off the bottom. Should really dig my scraps out, but I'm not too sure where my scraps are. So all I do is just eyeball it and cut up like that. I have got a bag of scraps somewhere, she says. Right, let's close that up. So I could have done that in vellum actually. Did I ever? No, I didn't cut it out in vellum. Right, let's grab my cut and emboss machine. Pop it in. Oops, that's not quite in, it's moved. Let's pull the plates out a bit more. That's better. Where's my pokey tool? Let's put these bits out. Come off, come off. There we go. That's lovely. And then what we'll do is we'll trim that off so it'll fit in. She says looking for a mini trimmer, which again has gone amiss. Typical. One of these days I'll be prepared. I've got it. It's actually back where it should be. Typical, innit? Can't find anything because I've actually put it away for a change. I'm not that good at cutting, I sort of cut it myself. Let's see, will that fit on? Yes, it will. I'm just going to trim that side up a little bit. I think I've gone a bit skewy. That's a bit better. That'll fit on there, lovely. Oh, I'm liking this. Right. Oh, that's nice. We might even put a bit of ribbon on it. So I've got polished pink. In fact, I'm thinking I might do it this way. Put polished pink on. I don't know. No, don't like that. Or is it because it's polished pink? No, we'll keep it plain simple. I might put a little ribbon knot on though. Right, let's stick all this down. Loving this banner. Oops, can't see that, so I'm just popping it in the middle and eyeballing it. Let's get it level like that. And then put some dimensionals on the back. Oh, nearly at the end of my packet. Right, before I stick that to that, I'm actually going to stick it to my card base. Right, so I'm just going to burnish this, give it a nice crisp fold. And you see, this will fit directly on top of the card. The next one I'm going to do it with a layer. I like that. Very simple for me. Right, I'm just having a look to see. I'm thinking we could just make a little bow. Turn that round, Karen. Oops. I'm all fingers and thumbs. I've got glue on my fingers. I think that's what it is. Right, just bob that in like that. Yes, I like that. I think I like that. Where's my scissors gone? can't decide whether I want the bow on it or not. Yeah, we'll go with the bow. We'll go with the bow. Here's my glue dots. Love it. And then we'll finish off with some of these gorgeous gems. I'm not going to go with the ready ones. I'm going to go with the soft succulent. And there's two different sizes. Are they two different sizes or are they all the same? No, they're all the same. Seeing things. Don't like it that way round. Let's put it that way round. There we go, it's a bit better. Put one on there. There we go. What do you reckon to that? Really like this. That's fab. Right, I'm going to make one more and I'm going to use some of this beautiful DSP. And the only trouble is choosing which one. I think we'll use... Oh, I can't decide. We'll use this one. I'm just trying to think what to do with it. Let's cut a piece off. Right, I'm going to cut this one 6 by 6 and then it's easier to work with. This, I could just layer it up on a card and be done with it. Let's cut a 3-inch strip, 3 by 4.5, 3 by 4.5, and Evening Evergreen. Yes, can't like that. So 3 by 4.5, so we want it 3 1/4 by 4 3/4. Away. That's nice, like that. See, that side's nice as well. Might be able to do something with that. Right, where's my card base? There it is. Do the same with this. Fold it in half and score in half. Folding off, scoring off, I mean folding off and burnish. So I'm looking, we've got that. And I'm just having a look. Nice. Oh, should we keep it all green? That's quite pretty. Might have to cut another one of those out though. I quite like it at the top. Or should I do it down the side? This is it. I can't decide what I want. Got a little... Oh, put that underneath. No, but I'm thinking, no. So this is the problem. I think we'll go for the edging strip. Or do we do it on the paper? Let's see. Sorry, you couldn't see that. I wasn't in shot. I had to get my head over it just to line it up. I'm just going to chop this off now. And then hopefully there should be enough to go on that side. Look, just... Huh. Fabulous. All I did was I just lined it up. Like so, so you can see the dotty bits of the thing. Right. And in fact, I'm going to cut that to the same length as the paper. Hang on. What's that about? Not much off, I think. So you just get the green down the side. I'm liking this. I think I might do this one this way around. Right, where is that little bit I had before, this bit? Just wondering whether... Oh, that was silly or not. I know what I'll do. Grab my trusty punch. If I can see it. What I'm thinking, I'm going to cut one of these out. And I've got some scrap whisper white somewhere. And I'll cut one of those out. And I'm thinking I'll do a little tag on there. I like that. Right. Can we fit on? Let's see what we can fit on there. Sending hugs fit on actually. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is put sending hugs on. And can't see, can't get my head under the camera. Oh, that's fine, like that. And you see my brain whirring around. What I think we will do, we're going to bring in the pale papaya. She says it's there somewhere. It is. And have we used all the stamps? Did we not use that other one? No. I'm going to bring this one in. Stamp it off. And I'm going to stamp it over there. Can you see it's just got a little bit showing? But then what I'm going to do, I'm going to get my card. And I'm going to just stamp these around the edge just to give it a bit of detail. oops, as she says, dropping the stamp. Sorry, I need to. I'm on my dining room table at the moment because I've not got my craft area set up proper. Set up proper. So, and my camera's in a different position. But hopefully I will get a new table from IKEA soon. It's very busy this though. But it's different. Yes, we like. In fact, I'm going to put this up on dimensionals. So I'm just going to chop these up because you don't waste the edges because they still stick. And get your money's worth out of the packet. Right. It's only my first play with this anyway, so I really like my first card that I did. This one I'm not too keen on the background, as in this. I'm not sure if I like that or not. We'll go with it. We'll go with it. There we go. And I've got some pale papaya ribbon as well. I think we'll bring that in if I can find it. Some pale papaya ribbon. Oh, look at that. That's because me trying to blend it. See if I can get it to go to a different colour. I'm just thinking. Yeah, quite like that. So, this one. There we go. Cut that like that. Oops. Oops, these aren't my scissors for cutting. There we go. I have scissors specifically for ribbon. Yes, I likey. Do like that. The only thing I don't like is this background, but if you don't try things you won't know. So next time I make it, I'll do it slightly different and I won't use that on the background. But you don't know. If you don't try, you won't know. And what I'm just going to see if I can make is a little knot. I think there's a specific word for these, but I don't know what it is. So I'm thinking of putting a little one on there. Like so. And then adding some more of these on. I think after this video I am going to tidy up because now I've lost my pokey tool. Oops. Come here, you. I think we'll do it like so. They look like, I don't know what they look like. Definitely need a pokey tool, which I've got one, but like I say, I don't know what I've done with it. I think we'll just pop that on there. There we go. What do you think of that? Like I say, I don't like the background. I'm going to have to change it. See, just bear with me one moment. I'm going to have to make a new base and change it. You know when you just don't like something? Right, so again, I'm just going to score in half. And then cut in half. Get two bases out of one card. Out of the thin, you get 4 layers out of a piece card, so it is very cost effective. Right, this is how we rectify things we don't like. I'm just huffing on it. I don't think I stuck it on too tight anyway. See, and you think, oh, what a waste, but that is not a waste, because I will use that, because I've just been introduced to junk journaling, and I'm amazed. I loved it. Ruth Trice did a class and I went on it, and I absolutely loved doing it. It was like making a journal of all my happy things and my bits that I've cut up, and like little scrappy bits that you could use up in a journal. So I was really pleased. So like I say, that will be used. Right, let's see if this looks better. Sorry it's been such a long video, but I just want to make this look alright. Yes, I think I prefer the clean, simple look of that. Yes, I do. I like that a lot better. What do you think? So, there was my first card that we made. Absolutely love that. And that was my second one. And now I absolutely love it, since I tried that and didn't like it. So, really pleased with that. So, that's the Eden's Garden that will be available to customers in November. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you've enjoyed it. I am slowly getting back into my videos, but it's just taken a while. So thank you all. Speak to you all again soon.